Today we're gonna fix the biggest issue I'm currently having with my Toyota Supra. But first off, gotta handle some things. Today is Thanksgiving Day, and we gotta take care of the Thanksgiving food first. This is what we're cooking up today. We don't do turkey in this house. I hope nobody gets mad about that, but dish number one. Hi, Jimmy. I do of some sort. Ooh, carne asada.
Carne asada?
Here,
What's it called?
talk to them real quick. I gotta bring in the other food real quick. No, don't follow me. Talk to them.
Where am I going? I want to find the messiest place in the house.
Right here.
Macho Kilo! Bring in the love. Bring in the love.
Well, we got hella clams to eat with fish sauce, some steak, and then rice and papaya salad. Pretty basic. Pretty basic. But it's gonna be better than turkey.
Damn right.
All right, while the grill's warming up, I'm currently making some crack sauce. If you know, you know. We got garlic, cilantro, and red chili peppers, or Thai chili peppers. Okay, the most Asian Thanksgiving dinner. We got some skirt steak, papaya salad, crack sauce, onions and cilantro, clams, and lettuce to make lettuce wraps with this. Ooh, that's Thanksgiving dinner. Jimmy gets
that crack sauce? You guys know how to make your own crack sauce?
There you go, Jimmy. Ching, ching, ching. Well, I don't know if it's the best. Linda just be hyping me up.
That shit looks fire. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wait, hold on. You can have it with Linda.
No, I don't want one yet.
Okay.
I want to watch.
You wanna watch?
She can watch it on the vlog. Do it. She can watch it on...
I can't even.
She can watch it on the vlog, bro. Greg, I'm hungry, Jimmy. Was it cooked?
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Fuck, that's so good.
Is the meat one?
No, it's definitely the sauce. Ooh. Guys. And that's Thanksgiving for y'all. Fuck, that's so good.
The next day.
It's the next day, and I didn't film or install anything yesterday. Jimmy came over to eat, and after we ate, I had kind of had food coma, and none of us were motivated to do anything, so we just watched documentaries all night. But it's the next day, and we're gonna go ahead and start with some installs. Today, we are gonna fix the biggest issue with my Supra, which is this big wing in my trunk. And no, it's not the fact of just getting it mounted down. It's because when I replaced the Sayber wing with this Voltex wing, the trunk got really heavy, and the struts were already worn from the Sayber wing before. I should have done this upgrade before, but check this out. This is the key, and I'm gonna press unlock, and let's see where it moves. The trunk barely opened. You might have been able to hear that it actually unlocked, but I'm gonna put it all the way up, and it's gonna come. Ah! Would have got my freaking fingers. Yeah, we gotta fix this. This is horrible. Oh my gosh. I was looking on the Supra forums. Somebody had linked this below. I think this was from Lift Support Depot. Ugh. There you go. What? Here it is. For it. Let me go ahead and check my order and see if I was supposed to get 2 or 1. What the? I only ordered 1. What the fuck? Well, that was a fail. On to the next install. All right, so since the trunk struts totally failed, what we're gonna do today instead is we're gonna go ahead and swap out the quick release on my KMP steering wheel with this Works Bell Quick Tilt in collaboration with Nightrunner Nightrunner. The reason why I want to swap out this one with a quick tilt is because I got the KMP Steering Wheel version 1, which is hard lined. There's no point of having a quick release because I'm not going to be able to take it inside my house. Version 2 is connected by pins, so it's a true quick release. But I also like the look, the ruggedness of the cord here. I think it looks super race car, so I do want to keep it. I like this one better, and we're just going to go ahead and swap out the hubs. This should be a very, very simple process. All we need is a T25 head, but we're just going to remove all of the hardware. Now that we got that part removed, you're gonna see that the quick tilt does come with wiring harnesses to be able to plug everything in. But because we're already hardwired in, all we have to do is tuck it in and it lines up perfectly. And there you go. There you have it. It's all done. The quick tilt is all put in, and I should technically, whoa, okay, that doesn't make it a lot easier to get in. But there we have it. We have the quick tilt. I can't even, that's gonna be weird. I'm not gonna be able to pull it off anymore, but quick tilt is in, quick release is out. Oh, the KMP steering wheel is the best. The KMP steering wheel is definitely my favorite mod. There is the JQ Works one, but when it comes to magnetic paddles and the buttons, the KMP is just so crispy. Like, ooh. There's. But that's all I got. I wanted to install more car parts today, but I have more Thanksgiving things to do. We got the quick tilt on. Super, super big fail on the lift strut or the trunk struts, because my trunk, as you can see, is very heavy and those struts are all worn out. But I was super, super excited the most about finally getting this on. Oh, can you guys just hear that? Everything just sounds so good. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya. And it's gonna come.